Pwede mo na bitaw pag nabarin, napakuha mo na maganda. Ang dami ko. Okay, okay. Mamaya mo na iayos yan. Basta magbaray na ka na sa tapat yan. Sige, magbaray na ka na. Hindi. Aray ko, naipit yung balat ko. Wisit. At napuput. Hindi muna dyan. Doon sa dulo doon. Kaya nga ikaw magbaray na ako.
So we're putting up some shelving, eh? All right, we're gonna see your design. We're gonna see your design. He wants to do a sample for me here so I could see if I like the shelving. I'm gonna like it anyway because it's a shelf. But let's see how it looks. Go. Portable banana fritters here, guys, being delivered. Delivery man, portable. There you go. There's some money.
Ito daw isa, I put sample. Oh, nakuha na yung isa, DCM na lang.
Yeah, good. He's got his change bag. He's got his change bag there. Got a portable banana fritters. So this gentleman makes those banana fritters here locally.
They call it dinoldo.
What happened to his ride? He was in the back of a motorcycle. Did they leave him?
Yeah. It's right there on the
Oh,
other
okay,
side.
okay. There you are. There, hi. So he drives around in the back of a motorcycle and he sells these banana fritters here, and they're really
It's
really
still
good.
hot.
Yeah, that's.
What do you call it nga? Dinoldo, honey.
They're banana fritters.
Masarap. This is good.
Bikang-bikang.
Bikang-bikang. Dinoldo or bikang-bikang.
Oh, I think your ride's.
Thank you.
It's right there.
Yeah. There's your change bag. Don't lose that change bag.
Mas magad, honey.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Gusto niya ito. Nung bumili pa yun sa bayan, pero maraming harina.
Dapat naman eh, kailangan magdikit ka.
Kaya nga, ay doon na parang.
Mga iba, ay pinupuro.
Maganda yung kondakay, yung purong saging tapos konti lang rin, ay mabubula ang.
Hi. So we're getting all the coconuts removed here from the tree here. We're gonna cut that tree down next year. But we're getting all the coconuts removed as you guys requested. But we're gonna cut the tree down next year when we get more time. But we're getting them down so they don't fall and hurt anybody. We got most of them on that one too. But we're getting there. There he is with the big stick. There it is. Look how big that stick goes. Oh boy. That's a big stick. All right, here's what the sample of the shelf is going to look like. They actually using rebarb to hold this together. Really strong wood. Yeah, so I'm gonna put a couple of these up here. I really want to put my board games, my books, stuff I brought, and stuff I'm gonna be bringing that I want to keep here, so I don't have to keep bringing it back and forth, right? Towel hanger is going up there. hang up the towels. So let me know what you guys think. I think this is a good idea right here. Nice shelving unit there, strong, ready to go. Oh my goodness. Fresh cut coconut. How you like it? It's good, eh? Have some, Anton. We've been eating this all week now. Just right out of the coconut. Yeah, dig it in deep. Go in deep. Yeah, just like that. Like nice and deep. So you get a good piece of meat out.
It's meat?
That's coconut meat, yeah. That's actually very healthy for you. It's good for the brain.
The brain's still good?
Yeah, it's going right to her brain. See that? There goes Anton. Good stuff, eh?
Kaya mo na ito kay Lupe. Agabi pa to. Di ba? Ano yan? Tuna rice. Tuna na ito.
So I'm going to show you guys what I eat for usually an afternoon snack. Sometimes in the morning, depending on my mood. Right there with the spoon. There's the spoon. There it is right there. So we open up the coconut. We drink the water. And what I usually do is I do this with the coconut. But I actually put in some avocado in there. But today I'm not feeling avocado. There are avocados that fall off our roof at night. You hear them hit the there's the avocado tree on the left. You could barely see it. There's an avocado tree on that other side there. And that avocado tree right there drops us, it's right, hey man, avocado tree there drops us avocados, couple a day, fall and hit the roof and then hit the ground here. And in the mornings we pick it up, we add a coconut, we add some avocado to this, and sometimes I put some fish in here too, tuna, the tuna that we catch. We get on a daily basis, fresh tuna. And kind of mix it up a bit. I don't add anything else to it. I leave it bland because it tastes good bland and it's got an acquired natural taste to it. So I kind of wanted to show this to you guys because everyone's saying we're eating junk food here and buying junk food. We're not. We do have snacks, but we do eat like this. So kind of wanted to show this to you guys. There it is, folks. A breakfast of champions or lunch of champions. Really good, high in good fatty acids. Really good for you guys. I'm no health expert, but this is what I've been eating for the last 15 days. Let me know.
Okay. Wow, nice. Very good.
Thank you so much, guys, for doing this. Good job, good job, good job. Yep. Okay, we got perfection. I think we got perfection here. I think it's perfect, guys. Yeah, back up. I think it looks good. Yeah, tá bom. It's good.
It's good. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay. It's perfect for typhoon.
Another side.
Hold on. Yeah, all right. Yeah, that looks good there. Yeah, we'll do that there, yeah.
Okay. Yan? Isa-isa lang muna.
Yeah, it looks
Kaya
good.
that's how the design is.
Yeah.
How it's supposed to look like.
Yeah.
Sulutin. Sige, yung isa. Wala ka muna isa. Ano to? Oo nga, taxi. Yung mababa, yung wag. May sila. Yan. Ayan, mali naman ay taas. Ayan. Yo, nagtitiis na nga.
Oh, good. We're using some of the lighting now. Good. There's my bookshelf, board game shelf. Yeah, you gotta spread it out.
Mayonnaise. This is the mayonnaise.
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 Nice bookshelf right there.